Reading, analyzing, and understanding documents that contain graphics or illustrations requires a combination of visual literacy skills, critical thinking, and attention to detail. Whether it's a chart, graph, diagram, or photograph, visual elements can convey complex information in a concise and impactful way. Understand the purpose. Begin by understanding the purpose of the document and how the graphics or illustrations contribute to its overall message. Ask yourself, what is the main idea or argument being presented? How do the visual elements support or enhance the content? Examine the visual elements. Type of graphic. Identify the type of graphic or illustration used in the document. Is it a chart, graph, diagram, map, or photograph? Title and labels. Read the title and labels associated with the graphic to understand what it represents. Pay attention to any key terms or symbols used to denote specific information. Scale and units. Check the scale and units of measurement used in the graphic to ensure accurate interpretation of the data. Color and formatting. Analyze the use of color, formatting, and design elements to determine their significance. Colors may be used to distinguish different categories or highlight important points. Interpret the data. Trends and patterns. Look for trends, patterns, or relationships within the data presented in the graphic. Are there any noticeable trends over time or correlations between variables? Comparisons. Use the graphic to compare different sets of data or variables. Look for differences or similarities between categories, groups, or time periods. Anomalies or outliers. Identify any anomalies or outliers in the data that may warrant further investigation or explanation. Consider context. Contextual information. Consider any contextual information provided alongside the graphic, such as captions, footnotes, or explanatory text. This additional context can help clarify the meaning of the visual elements. Source and reliability. Evaluate the source of the data presented in the graphic and assess its reliability and credibility. Look for references or citations to support the information. Draw conclusions and make inferences. Synthesize information. Synthesize the information from the visual elements with the text to draw conclusions and make inferences. Consider how the visual elements contribute to your understanding of the topic or issue. Critical thinking. Apply critical thinking skills to evaluate the validity and implications of the data presented. Question assumptions, consider alternative interpretations, and assess the limitations of the graphic. Communicate findings. Summarize findings. Summarize your findings from analyzing the visual elements and articulate the main takeaways. Provide insights. Offer insights or interpretations based on your analysis of the graphics or illustrations. Highlight any key findings or observations that contribute to a deeper understanding of the document. By following these steps and applying a systematic approach to reading, analyzing, and understanding documents with graphics or illustrations, you can effectively interpret and extract valuable insights from visual information. Visual literacy skills are essential in today's world, where information is often presented in multimedia formats, and mastering these skills can enhance your ability to comprehend and communicate complex ideas effectively. This has been a production of D&J Designs and MathMan 1962.